Hey everyone, it's time for language arts. In language arts today, we are going to be reading a book called A Bank is Helpful. So make sure you have your communication board that looks like this. Okay, here's our title page. It says, A Bank is Helpful. On your communication board, the title is at the top. Touch the title of our story. All right, our story is by Catherine Rotman, illustrated by Alex Weishart. Page 1. Kirk has money. He needs a safe place to keep it. All right, so page 1, we learned our character. Our character's name is Kirk. Kirk is right here on your communication board. Can you touch the character in our story? The character's name is Kirk. And we're talking about Kirk has money. So the main idea of our story is money. Find the picture of money on your communication board. All right, good job. Page 2. Where can Kirk keep his money? Under the bed? In a box? Should we keep our money under our bed? Yes or no? Use your communication board to tell us if you should keep money under your bed. No, you should not keep money under your bed. Should you keep it in a box? Yes or no? No, you should not keep your money in a box either. Let's figure out where to keep our money. Page 3. Kirk can put his money in a bank. People keep their money in a bank. All right, so Kirk has told us where to keep our money. If you look at the picture of Kirk, he's thinking about a bank. Let's use our communication board to find the word bank. I'm pointing to it for you. Now you touch it. This says bank. And our story tells us that Kirk puts his money in a bank. Page 4. A bank is safe. A bank is helpful. All right, so Kirk keeps his money in a bank because it is safe and helpful. So tell me one reason we should keep our money in the bank. We should keep our money in a bank because it's safe and helpful. Did you touch one of those words? Page 5. Kirk and his mother go to the bank. Kirk opens up bank accounts. All right, so Kirk and his mom, we're talking about Kirk, and he went to the bank and he opens a bank account. The bank account picture has a piece of paper. Can you touch bank account? Good job. Page 6. Kirk puts money into a checking account. The bank will keep his money safe. So Kirk is using a checking account so that his money stays safe. All right, page 7. Kirk can use his money to buy things. He uses a check to pay for them. So a check. Touch check on your communication board. A check is used to give money to someone out of your bank account. Page 8. Kirk can use a debit card to buy things. The money comes from his checking account. So you can use a check or you can use a debit card. A debit card's a piece of plastic and it takes money from your checking account to pay for items. Most of the time we use debit cards to buy things. Touch debit card. Page 9. Kirk puts money into a savings account. He wants to save for big things. The bank will keep his money safe. All right, so we can put money in a checking account or in a savings account. The savings account picture has a piggy bank on it. Can you touch savings account? If you don't want to spend the money, you can put it in a savings account to save for items. Page 10. Kirk can earn money from his savings account. Kirk keeps his money in the bank. The bank gives him more money. So when you have money in a savings account, you can earn more money. Page 11. People can get a loan from the bank. They use the money now. They pay the money back later. So some people use loans for items that they cannot afford right now. You can get a loan and pay the money back later. Can you touch loan on our communication board? Page 12. A bank is helpful. A bank keeps Kirk's money safe. It helps him save and spend his money. All right, so this page is just wrapping up our story, and it talks about Kirk keeping his money safe. The end. All right, so our story's name was A Bank is Helpful. Can you touch on your communication board what our story was about? All right, you might have said it was about money, or that it was about a bank, or any of these pictures in the yellow our story talked about. Good job! Tomorrow we're going to answer some questions about our story. See you then. Bye.